to begin, here's what you'll need. 100% cotton t-shirts or any cotton fabric you have on hand. Fiber-reactive dye or a tie-dye kit. Rubber bands, squeeze bottles or brushes, gloves. Optional extras include ice cubes, clamps, and sticks for added variation. Let's start with Technique 1, Ice Tie-Dye. Place the shirt on a rack, sprinkle ice cubes over it, then drip dye over the ice to create unique patterns as the ice melts. Technique 2, Spiral Tie-Dye. Twist the shirt from the center into a tight spiral and secure it with rubber bands before applying dye in sections. Technique 3. Shibori Tie Dye. Fold and clamp the fabric in specific ways to resist dye, creating intricate geometric patterns. Don't miss Part 2, where we'll explore 3 more stunning techniques: bullseye tie-dye, folded square, and crumple tie-dye. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram at Pedra.Blanca, TikTok at YassiCreate, and Behance, YassiCreate, for more inspiration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Got a favorite tie-dye style? Drop it in the comments below. And if you try any of these, tag me at YassiCreate. I'd love to feature your creations.